Alright, guys. So, this is what we're going to do today. Imagine if I just do recording like that. Like that Indian guy. I don't even know if it was Indian. But that tutorial, that the guy did not say anything. So, I'm going to do this. I was doing it what I think it was yesterday or what day was that. And I realized that, we didn't really get it in class. But I was just playing around it. And I actually got the exact way without doing any manipulation. Because you remember in class we did some manipulation about around here, adding something here. Even the one she did, the one she showed us that she did. She did manipulation. Oh wow, why is my screen black? Hopefully I can keep this under 5 minutes. I just hope my system cooperate with me. Uh, New file, come on. At first I didn't really want to say anything about it. But I was like, you know what? So that was just feeling like, sharing. And I'm sure other people in class have figured this thing out and did not say anything. Because I was practicing some of this stuff for exams. Then my stuff is still loading. I was practicing some of this stuff for exam. Then I was not got to this question. I was like, yeah, how did she even know this thing again? Because every other thing is simple, obviously. But this part, this fillet here, we didn't get it in my class. I should have just started. Alright, my screen is on now. If it's not under 5 minutes, I don't know. How many minutes am I recording now? Yeah, 1 minute 38 seconds. Alright, let's start. So, the normal thing. I think everything is simple. Select a plane. Except when it gets to that part. And when we get to that part, that's when I will show you. The first thing, you can do this any way you like. For me, let's just draw a line to here. It should be 70, right? Hopefully I'm in millimeters. Yes. Then it takes it up about 15. Then here. Alright, then takes it this way. It doesn't really matter how long you take it, but as far as you take it this way a little bit, we can set dimensions later. I think that's one thing I learned from that wheelchair stuff, that you can just sketch, then you can dimension it how you want to dimension it later, which was really helpful. So let's get this curving part. So you just choose a center line. Don't mind me, I just prefer using center line for this, even though there's no reason for it. Then extend it 10. Yes, then escape. Then let's have our arc. We're going to use this center point arc. Then from here we have an arc of 50. So take it like this, the direction, then I'll write 50. Then I'll just let it intersect, okay? Then we have another arc of what? Of 80. Should we do that one? Okay, let's do that one. Just choose the direction, then write 80, then just let it go down a little bit. You know what? Let's go back to our line. You have to remove the center line. This one goes up a little bit, right? So let's take this up a little bit. Let's take it up here. And if you wouldn't correct me, I wrote 90 instead of 80. Alright. Now we're cooking. So the next thing, it says here has a fillet. Or fillet, sorry. Fillet is like filet mignon. Filet mignon. How is that pronounced? Is that a meat or something? What is a fillet of 10? So come here. Write 10. Then select here. Come on, computer. Yay. I don't even know where I will say laptop to mine because I'm using a desktop right now. Alright, so what's the next thing? Here, let's trim some things up here, alright? So we'll trim here and trim here. Beautiful. Then escape. And what's the next thing? So from here, around here, there is another arc of 50 radius, where it's 10 millimeters from here and 10 and 15 millimeters upwards. So let's get that. Okay, Sometimes I can use a center line, sometimes I can use a normal line. But let's just measure from here to here, should be 10. Then we go up around 15, exactly 15, not around 15. Alright, so because I need the point here to do an arc that would curve this way. So our arc is of radius, let me reduce the center line. Our arc is of radius, arc is of radius 50. So set the direction, then I write 50. Then I'll drag it as long as I want. Alright, then there's a fillet here of 5. So come back here, insert my fillet, then select the two fins, and yay. So the next thing, now everybody got it to here. It's now here that we get. So here to do this curve here, let me see if I can put it side by side. Alright, to do this curve stuff here and here, and I just got it once yesterday. Let me see if I can remember how I did it yesterday. Okay, so the first thing I did was that I remember that this is a fillet of, this is 7 radius, and this is another fillet of 5. So they didn't draw arcs, they just used fillets, right? Keep that in mind. No arc, only fillet. This is 7 and this is 5. So I'm just using that to store to try to remember what I did. So let's do should we do the fillet of 5 or fillet of 7 yet? Since this and this is 7, right? Let's do 5. Sorry, this and here is 5. So let's do fillet of 5. So come here, then select here and here, 5. Alright, that's step 1. Now how do we do this fillet of 7? How did I do it again? Hey Hosanna, I can pause this my recording and think. Then it would be as if I just remembered immediately. How did I do this stuff again? So to do the curving of 7, alright, that's exactly what I did. Yes, I forgot how to do it, but I just remembered how to. So we're here, let's just come back to here. So the first thing we do is let's do this fillet of 7 here, but we'll do it on the outside, not on the inside. Okay, so let's do the fillet of 7. Come here, click on fillet, then write 7, click here, make sense? So can you see where I'm heading already? Then we'll have to come back again to this arc. Let's draw back our arc that got removed from here, right? So it came from here and our arc was from here, and let's just connect it to somewhere around here, right? So if you are smart, which I trust you are, we'll draw a fillet of 5. I'm sure you've already figured it out, from here to here, and we're Gucci. So you see, we don't have to do anything extra, and then just remove those extra stuff. We don't have to do anything extra, and we've got it where we want to be. Sorry, let me just put this here so it doesn't look as if it's coming outside. Alright, I can even put it by the opposite side. Sorry. Yeah. Alright, and let me put this one here so it doesn't look as if exactly we have anything. So it is perfect. Now if you are really intuitive, you look at it and say, but Divine, chill first. It doesn't look exactly like this, or you forgot something. From here to here is 50. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted you to say. So let's dimension everything first. Right, I think we've done that. Then we'll make from here to here 50, so it looks more like this. See, this one costs much more than ours. It's because from here to here has to be 50. That's from this point to here has to be 50. Alright, let's just see. We have to constrain some things, but let's see if it does automatically to here. Since ours is 57, so reduce this to 50. And no, it doesn't work. It changes the shape of from here to here. So let's go back. We have to dimension here so it doesn't shift, and this is constraint. Sorry. Here. No. From here to here. No. Dimension from here to here. Oh no, this is not what I want. I want an arc. Exactly. Thank you, Jerry. I was already giving up hope. So now let's say if we, now that that one is constrained, we should be able to set this to 50 without it changing. Ah, it still changed. It still changed. It still changed. You know what? Delete this and let me apply some dimensions. Done. Where's this one? Let me delete this one. Chill. Trust the process. Then let me dimension this one back. This and this. Oh wow. Still, I'm gonna have to pause. Alright. Sorry for the pause. I had to figure this one out again. It's not as easy as I thought. It was easy because I remembered it. So let's just adjust this one and let me just put this one here a little bit down so it doesn't confuse us. And this one, let me put it by the other side. Perfect. So the remaining thing, what I was saying before, or just some second ago for you, for me it was some minutes, is that here it curves more because from here to here is 50. That is the only dimension that remains. So let's just remove this thing here. Let's just delete that. We'll put that on wood. Then let's delete this tiny line. Oh, I can't select it. Well, I'm sure I can. Alright, so let's dimension this to 50 here and here. 50. Now it brings it down. That's no problem. We'll just have to put the dimensions of this again. So from here to here, you know, it should be, sorry, from, I was selecting the wrong line. From here to like this line should be 15, right? Put that back. And from here to here should be 10. Put that back and see, voila, it is exactly like this. Let me put it side by side. So I can even remove this one. Oh, sorry. Escape. I can remove this stuff here. Perfect. You know, every other thing is, where's my, no, not this. Wheezy me stuff to compare it to here. So can you see every other thing is exactly the same without doing the woo stuff that, you know, we were thought to do. We can put this one to the side and that. I will link my GoFundMe in the description below if you want to support my ministry. But if I'm missing anything, you just let me know. Okay, it's fully constrained. You can just do this and apply, and it's fully constrained, and you can just make all the stuff small needs. But you're welcome. Bye. Hit the notification button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.